Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rehbar Group of Institutions, Akola. Dear students, I am Tessin Madam. Now I am going to explain the remaining part of lesson number 3 of Standard 7, Properties of Natural Resources. Temperature regulation. The earth receives energy from the sun. This energy is reflected by the earth in the form of heat. The constituents of air surrounding like earth, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, absorb a part of this heat and give to the other constituents of air. As a result, the earth's surface remains warm and nearby become suitable for the living world on the earth. If there were no air on the earth, the average of the earth's surface would have been very low. Use your brain power. First, what would happen if all the air surrounding us is removed? Second, will sound be heard in space? Transmission of sound. All the sounds that we hear reach us through the surrounding air. The density of air also changes due to the change in its temperature. In winter, the density of air increases. We can hear the whistle of a distant train early in the morning in winter. Air is useful as a medium for transmission of heat. Next, properties of water. Let's recall. First point, what are the states in which water is found? What inference will you draw from the picture alongside? Water occur in liquid state under ordinary conditions. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or seep through very small gaps or cracks. On pouring water on an oil-cladded dish, water does not spread but forms a small round shape. Why does this happen? Observe the figure 3.6, properties of water. Here different types of vessels are present and they are poured with water. There are different type holes in this figure. Try this. Take a plastic and bottle more than half full of water. Mark the water level on the bottles. Keep this bottle upright in the freezer for making ice. Open the freezer after a couple of hours and observe. You will see that the water has changed into ice. Note the level of the ice. You will find that the ice level is higher than the water level before freezing. What can you infer from this? As water freezes to form ice, it expands and its volume increases. On freezing, how much was the increase in the volume of water? In what portion did it increases? Second point, take a bucket of water, drop many different kinds of articles in it. Make separate list of the articles which sink in the water and those that float on it. Third point, take some water in a pot and add few pieces of ice to it. Observe what happens. Why do we see the ice float on water? Ice is lighter than water. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. When water freezes, that is, when it transforms into the solid state, its volume increases. Therefore, the density of ice is less than that of water. That is why the ice float on water. Density of water. The interrelation between the volume and mass of the substance, the space occupied by a substance and its volume, the store of matter in a substance, it is mass. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeters. Hence, density is equal to gram upon centimeters. Hence, G upon Cc is the unit of density. If the mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, then what is the density of water? Think. Will the mass of water change when its state changes during the transformation of liquid water into ice? Next, anomalous behavior of water. Usually, when the temperature of a substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is expectation in the rule. Fourth point है, keep a glass full of water in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, then take it out and observe it carefully. This is a figure of anomalous behavior of water. 3.8. At the bottom, the temperature is 4 degrees centigrade, above then 3 degrees centigrade, next 2 degrees centigrade and minus 1 degree centigrade at the level of ice. From which part is the glass does the water first starting freezing? The density of water is peculiar. When water at normal temperature start cooling, its density increases like that of moist liquid. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees centigrade, its density starts decreasing. It means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees centigrade, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees centigrade. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Use your brain power. In cold countries, how do aquatic animals remain alive even after the river or lakes freezes in winter? Dear students, now we stop here. You will see all the videos on our Rehbar channel. You will watch it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.